Hello, welcome to my channel. I think this is what you call forest bathing. As you can see behind me, this is a wood I call Fairyland, and it's not that early in the morning. I think it's about 9 in the morning, and I have a nice warming cup of coffee and a nice wooden bench with a view. And while I can't hear any aeroplanes going over, I've got all the crows, the robins, and occasionally the ravens and the buzzards, quite frequently actually. Maybe occasional pheasant, but I run them out of here. And yeah, you can just sit. Well, the reason I started doing this filming is because I was sat here and I thought, oh, this has got a feeling. And I couldn't place it. Like the feeling of sort of winter, but not. So I was thinking, oh, this is interesting. I'm sat here, I feel, alone, on my own, alone, not alone, sad, woe is me, but alone. And thought, oh, maybe I should do a video on this. So yeah, it's just a quick one, and I'm going to go back to drinking my coffee and looking up the view and soaking up the morning sounds before people get out and about. That is one of the things that I love about winter, is that people don't go out, which is great. It means I've got all this to myself. And any of you who come out too. But there you go, thanks for watching. Join me next time. See you later. Ta-da.